Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hello there, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we are going to look at the Taylor Presentation Series 14ce Fall Limited. I know that's a mouthful. We'll get to the limited and everything in the presentation and all that stuff. But I first want you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. It's really easy. Just click the link below. It'll tell you what to do. On to the Taylor Presentation Series 14ce Fall Limited. This is an extremely cool instrument. We have all the coolness of the Presentation Series. We have the Art Nouveau vine inlay. We have the abalone purfling, abalone rosette, inlaid bridge, ebony bridge pins, bone saddle, bone nut, inlaid ebony headstock, gold Goto 510 tuners that we all know and love from the Presentation Series. However, this happens to be the Fall Limited. When we think of fall, we think of Thanksgiving, pumpkins, brown colors, gold colors, red colors. This happens to be a take on the brown colors. That's my personal interpretation anyway. We have a beautiful Sinker redwood top paired with, check this out, Macassar ebony back and sides. Heavy striping, great grain variation. This thing is awesome. So Sinker top, Macassar ebony back and sides, nice little beveled ebony armrest, and it's also bound in ebony, which just makes this thing look like it's dressed up for the ball. It's like, this is tuxedo time. I mean, we're ready to go. So, you're saying to yourself, this thing looks amazing. Let's hear what it sounds like. I agree. Let's give it a play and hear what it sounds like. Thanks for checking out our Taylor Presentation Series 14ce Fall Limited. If you like this guitar, sign up for the Acoustic Letter. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. Thanks a lot.